In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the blending mode in Affinity Photo. If you're new to blending modes or simply looking to refine your skills, you're in the right place. Let's kick things off by diving straight into the process. First, ensure that the Layers panel is visible on your screen. This is your control center for managing different elements in your project, including blending modes. If, for some reason, you don't see the Layers panel displayed, don't worry. You can easily bring it up by navigating to the top menu. Simply go to View, then proceed to Studio, and select Layers. This will activate your Layers panel, making it fully accessible for the task ahead. Next, direct your attention to the layer you want to modify. In the Layers panel, you'll find a list of all the layers currently in your project. Click on the specific layer whose blending mode you're planning to change. This action selects the layer and highlights it, indicating that it's ready for any adjustments you intend to make. Now, locate the Blend Mode drop-down menu. It's situated conveniently at the upper section of the Layers panel. Here, you'll notice the current blend mode displayed. By default, this mode is usually set to normal, but this is where the magic happens. Go ahead and click on the drop-down menu. You'll see an extensive list of blend modes available for your layer. Each mode offers a unique way of blending the selected layer with the ones beneath it. Browse through the options and pick a blend mode that suits your creative vision. Whether you're going for multiply, overlay, screen, or any other mode, remember that blending modes significantly influence the interaction between your layers and can dramatically change your image's appearance. Affinity Photo offers a rich collection of over 30 blend modes, each with its own special characteristics and effects. As you explore these, you'll discover that some blend modes, especially the more specialized ones like Hard Mix, perform optimally when you tweak the fill opacity. This setting is different from the overall opacity of the layer, allowing for more nuanced control over how the blend mode is applied. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you'll be able to skillfully change blending modes in Affinity Photo, opening up new possibilities for creativity and image enhancement. Experimenting with different modes and opacity settings will allow you to create exciting and visually compelling compositions. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy creating!